To add the delete button to the home page when the admin is registered, I did a modification in the home page. When I build a home page, specifically build thread, I need to make sure that the admin has logged in. So if it is an admin, I will add this delete button to the thread form, otherwise not. And in order to delete, I have a Firebase controller function, delete thread and message list, and to delete the thread and to delete message. And these two functions are defined here and here, and they are both from the cloud function. So in cloud function, they are defined here. Well, they both use the parameter thread ID. To find the thread, we go through the thread collection and then delete it. And to delete the messages, first we go through the messages, and to find those that have the same thread ID, then get all of them, and then delete them one by one. So that is how I did the deletion. And to show the user's activity, I have this activity page showing the thread list that calls this function, search threads by user with a given user ID. So in Firebase controller, the function is defined here. Search thread by user, and it calls the cloud function, and after it gets the result, it will produce the threads, because for the cloud function, it doesn't produce thread directly, but rather something that we can use to build threads. So it's here. Search threads by user with given UID. Again, it goes through the threads to find threads that has this given UID, get the collection, and then dump them into the object, wrap it up, and return this array. So that's basically it. Thank you.